Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in a big gathering of the Muslims said, "Should I tell you the best clan of the helpers?" The companions submitted, "Yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Banu Abdul Ashal." The companions submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what next?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then Banu Najjar." The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the next." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then Banu Haris bin Khazraj." The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what next?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then Banu Saida." The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what next?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "There is good in all clans of the helpers." Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu got up in anger and intended to say, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are the last of the four." He intended to object the statement of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the people of his clan, whereupon said to him, "Sit down. Aren't you pleased with it that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed your clan among these four clans, whereas the number of those clans which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not mention is more than the clans which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned?" Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu stopped objecting to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6374.